Today I'll explain how criminals try to launder money, the tools they use, and why the blockchain is actually a trap that never forgets. Every year, criminals move tens of billions of dollars using crypto. In 2024 alone, illicit flows topped 40 billion, and as investigations close, that number for 2025 is projected to shatter the $100 billion mark. Yet, despite the headlines, there is a fundamental misunderstanding. People still think crypto is a ghost, invisible and untraceable. In reality, it's the most documented financial trail in human history. Let's start with the biggest myth. Crypto is anonymous. It's not. It's pseudonymous. Think of Bitcoin or Ethereum as a ledger. Everyone can see every transaction, every amount, and every wallet address. You may not see a name like John Doe on the screen, but you see a permanent digital fingerprint. The moment that fingerprint touches the real world, whether you're buying a coffee, KYC verifying on an exchange, or even having a package delivered to your house, the mask falls off. In 2026, blockchain analytics firms like Chainalysis and TRM Labs use AI to link these anonymous wallets to real-world identities with terrifying accuracy. To fight this visibility, criminals rely on two main strategies. The first, privacy coins like Monero. These are designed to hide the sender, the receiver, and the amount. It sounds perfect for illicit activity, which is why billions are funneled through them. But there's a catch. Privacy coins are being delisted from major exchanges worldwide. To turn that private coin into spendable cash, you eventually have to cross back into the visible world, and that's where your identity is exposed. The second tool is the mixer. Think of it as a digital washing machine. You throw your coins in with thousands of others, they get scrambled, and you get clean coins back. But today, using a mixer is like walking into a bank wearing a ski mask. It doesn't hide you, it flags you. Regulators now track tainted coins from mixers, and most major platforms will freeze your funds the moment they detect a mixer in your transaction history. Here is the part most people miss, the choke point. Even if a criminal successfully moves $100 million, they eventually need to touch centralized platforms. Exchanges and payment services, these companies have a global freeze button. In recent years, hundreds of millions of dollars linked to hacks and scams have been frozen mid-air, turning a criminal's fortune into a useless digital brick. With the rise of MiCA regulations in Europe and similar frameworks globally, the on and off ramps, where crypto meets cash, have become high-tech border checkpoints. Every transaction leaves data. Every mistake compounds. Over time, those billions don't just move, they become an immutable evidence locker waiting for the key. Crypto crime is evolving, but so is the technology designed to stop it. If you want to understand the reality of the digital economy without the hype, hit like and subscribe. We break down the complex side of crypto every week. Thanks for watching.